Hi everyone, here's something fun you can do with the family, whether you do it on a Friday or any other day of the week. Get out there walking with the family around the neighborhood, but create a scavenger hunt. And you can use something as simple as the alphabet. When you go for a walk, let the family look around and see if they can find something for each letter of the alphabet. You'll see some of my examples here. I just went out and tried it to see what I can find. Now, of course, you don't have to use the alphabet. You could use the word holiday or reindeer or Hanukkah, or you could let the kids use their personal names and see what they can find. Of course, if it's a challenging letter, you could always find that letter on a license plate or a sign. So get out there and try this fun, interactive way to walk around the neighborhood with the family. Be sure to keep following us too at PSP Kingston on social media. PSP Kingston, the health and wellness provider for the military community.